Good morning, adventurers. It is a beautiful day here in Orlando, Florida, and we are off to have breakfast at Ohana. That is the family-style character buffet here at the Polynesian village. They started us off with a pineapple coconut bread. Looks like a sweet breakfast bread. Right away, they brought us out a nice little plate of fruit. They filled us up some coffee, and they gave us, what is this, jungle juice?
It's the same juice, but I think they call it different things at different places.
Right, they call it jungle juice at Tusker House.
But I think they call it something different.
Something else here.
Lilo's punch or something.
Lilo's punch. It's like pineapple and passion fruit or something.
I think so.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. It's nice. We'll try some of this bread here. It's good. It's not quite as dense. It's a little more dense than a pastry, but it's got like big pieces of pineapple in it and a little coconut hint. It's delicious. And this being family style, they do bring it out to you, so it's all you care to eat. But there's waffles, eggs, there's some fried potatoes under there, sausage, biscuits, and some ham slices. And along with the Mickey waffles, I also got a Stitch waffle. Aloha! Yeah. Yep.
You gonna get up?
Yeah, I'll get a picture. There we go. Ah! Yep, phone. There you go. Take a picture of me? Yeah. Oh!
She photobombed you.
She photobombed me? Nice.
So funny.
Aloha! Oh, yeah. Back up. Yeah, I gotta get back further. They also brought us out some little anniversary cupcakes because we're celebrating. Now, after a delicious breakfast and character fun, we are off to the animal kingdom. We are entering into the animal kingdom, greeted at the entrance by the Tree of Life. Stop here in Africa to see the lady playing, I don't know, it's not exactly sure what kind of instrument it's called, but it's like an African guitar, or harp, I guess. Alright, it is early in the morning still, but it is already quite warm out. Our first stop, Expedition Everest. The weight of the evidence leads to the inescapable conclusion: the Yeti is real. Oh boy, back of the train. Nice easy start. Track. the brakes work. I love that ride. In fact, I love it so much, we're doing it again. So we had something magical happen. The attendant at Mount Everest saw our buttons and led us through the fast pass line without a fast pass. So, little pixie dust sprinkled our way. Definitely pays. Wear your buttons. Breaking our track again. What a stinker. Yes!
Oh my god.
As much fun the second time around. So the rides are filling up fast, but we're gonna go over and watch the It's a Tough to Be a Bug. This is a 3D Magic Eye Theater show that happens inside the Tree of Life. You go underground and into the roots.
We're a smoke-free bar. Please refrain.
And welcome. Welcome to our show. Oh, I made the honorary buzz. Honorary what? Back off, spiders. See ya. Hey. Hey, little fella. Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
I like It's a Bug's Life. It's a cute little show, and it's a good way to get out of the heat. It's a very short, nice little show, and I think, yep. And I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.